I had never done a project in this manner before, so it was a bit of a hard sell for them to convince me to do it. But we were under budget, we were on schedule, and the process is working fantastic.
Jim was handling the whole process for us. So there could have been issues that Jim had with contractors or other people that were on site that Cost USA did not have to deal with. Jim dealt with it.
They were able to bring everyone to the table that we needed.
And that avoids a lot of the problems once the construction begins.
We can go to one contractor, I can talk to one project manager, I can have one scheduling meeting.
For somebody to come in and be able to help us from A to Z was outstanding for us.
Jim was able to go out and investigate the types of systems that would fit our application.
Quite frankly, we probably used more of their ideas than our own ideas.
With their recommendations, we were able to realize future operating cost savings.
And our efficiency in our facility has tripled.
Jim has proven they can provide us with qualified craft and supervision to work in our plant.
Communication was very strong throughout the whole process.
The project engineer and I were communicating basically on a daily basis.
They know our safety standards, they know all the processes and procedures.
Meeting our timelines for keeping us in budget, for gaining the efficiency capacities that we were looking for.
That means a lot to us because we don't have to expend a lot of time with that contractor as far as management for them to do the work.
Well, our experience with GPS is outstanding.
The GPS system for the project I used it on exceeded my expectations.
The best way to describe it is just total package.
More efficient for us to do the job, less time for us to manage, and we get a better product.
We will be using GPS for future projects.